Hello everyone, and I am playing Roblox and Go for Treasure. For those that don't know Roblox, it's just a game where like there's a bunch of other games, really cool. So today I'm playing Go for Treasures. I don't really oh my god. Does someone want to join my team? I'm just jeez. Okay, let's get building our boat. No, I already said no. Get our emerald blocks out here. Guys, you probably know that I probably played this game before because I have emerald blocks made it to the end. Like a couple times before. So we're just gonna make an emerald pad in here. And when I run out, oh, you guys can tell I have the card, don't you? Alright. So, where's our medal? Alright, it's right here. Oh, wait, no. Pressed on the wrong thing. Alright. Alright. We're starting our boat off well. Right, when I say that, I mess up. Yeah, right. Yeah, I actually did. Alright. So, guys, I'm just wondering, if you guys want me to do a Minecraft aquatic video, leave a like on this video and maybe I'll do it. Because I actually been wanting to record a video on Minecraft Aquatic for a long time. I've been thinking on it. Hang on. Messed up that block there, guys. Alright. Feels like, oh, come on. Delete. Keep on messing up. So guys, basically how Build a Boat for Treasure works is basically you get gold, as you can see right here, and you can buy a chest with your gold right there, stop, and then you get more items like metal, and every time you make it to the end, you get an emerald block, and also they actually gave this an update, and I don't know why they took it off, but it's weird. So I think this is a big enough boat. I'm gonna start making the walls. Alright. We're doing actually weller than not weller, just we're doing really well. Not weller. Just we're doing really well. So you guys just think I should take off right now with my boat? It takes sort of long to build your boat in this game and sort of not. You also want to be really careful with messing your blocks up on those where you're placing them, because when you mess your blocks up, it can cause your ship very bad. So I'm just being quiet right now because I need to focus on building my boat. Once actually me and my friend actually built a human boat and it was really cool. But sadly I wasn't a YouTuber at that time. I became a YouTuber not too long ago, so say hooray to me. I've just been really, like, I've been wanting to be a YouTuber for a really long time. Just, like, I've been watching YouTube, like, since I was 4, and right now I'm 6. So, I've been wanting to be a YouTuber for a really long time, and like, I'm a YouTuber now, and I'm just freaking out. I'm so happy that I get to record videos for everyone out there in the world. I'm just so happy that I can record videos for you and all those things. So actually right now I need to get that chair up in here. Do you think I should do a throne? Nah, let's do a... Look, we're not doing a car chair, definitely not. Things up. Oh, perfect. These little chairs will work. Boom. You guys are probably yelling at me why I'm not building a roof, but I actually am going to right now. Let's actually use some more metal, like a metal boat. Hang on, I messed up on that one, guys. Whew. I'm just so hyped right now. I'm just like so happy. Cause me and my dad actually didn't like keep on making videos. Like we didn't keep on making videos for like you, but like we've been making videos to make this record my voice because it hasn't. Let's have some cannons up in here. Do like a cool design one on each side. Let's go with that. Perfect. There. That looks pretty wet. It's not to say, just let's put up a layer of marble around our boat. Because metal can't only make it through, it needs a little bit of help here. Let's do this wall. Okay. Alright. We're doing too good so far. This is pretty good, I have to say. I actually, like, if you guys are wondering how I figured out about Roblox is, how I knew about Roblox is, just watched YouTube for a long time and then I watched someone named Dennis that yeah, so please actually go to Dennis's channel after this video. Hit that bell icon on his videos, and so you'll never miss one again. I do that after my video, so Dennis is actually a really cool guy, just to say. Like I only got 7 more blocks, 6 now. Got 4. Hang on. Had to delete that one. Bloop. Stop. Perfectly out. So let's see. How about we use this? Wait, we got more metal still. We got more metal. Let's actually just use these black blocks. I feel like they're stronger than metal. This is probably obsidian or something. I don't know what this block is. Guys, leave a comment. Leave a comment on what you think this block. Leave a comment on what you think this block is, because I have no idea what it is. I kept on messing up on what I was trying to say there. Come on. Ow. Alright, we got a whole new layer on our boat. 2-layer boat. Pretty good. Alright, do you guys think I should set sail? I'm gonna set sail. Let's do this. Yes, please. Let's get one of my cannons ready. Alright. Coming closer and closer. Whoa, look at that guy's boat. That's really cool. Oh, it's like an airplane. Alrighty, let's get rid of it. Oh, that was loud. Just like, I don't know how loud this is. I have my, oh jeez. If you guys heard it that loud, I'm sorry. Why am I not using my dang cannons? No, I missed. Hey, I see. Ow! I need to turn this down a bit more. But how loud does this have to be? Alright. Guys, if your volume is at 100%, don't leave it at that. If your volume is, because that would be bad. Oh, we're onto the gears right now. Eh. Eh. Yeah. Oh. Eh. 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 Where are we right now? What's the next level? Oh, I love this level. Alright. Let's go. Come on, Flood, come up. You can come up for me? Alright, I'll just fire my cannons. Oh, there it goes. What took you so... Oh, there's holes. At least I added 2 layers, because it only broke through the one. Okay, I need to really be using my cannons more. Why is there no wall? What? What? Okay. Oh, I see lava up ahead. No! Wait, why'd the lava just appear? That's weird. You really get no. Oh, let me shoot that little rock. Oh no. Lava. How are we doing on the bottom? Good? Oh jeez. I don't like this. We're gonna make it? Water! 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 Yes, we're back on water. No damage on like bomb at all. Hi. Oh shoot, we're on the sharks. I don't like the shark level. Yeah, see, there's one right there. Stupid thing. You got. Oh no. Ah. Guys, sorry if this is loud for you too. I'm bald. Let's get back in this corner. I can't see what's happening. The sharks broke my boat and my chair, and now I have no hair. I have no hair. I have no hair. I'm bald. What's going on outside? Oh. Why are we on land? Why? Oh, jeez. Oh, ow. Isn't that some gold? Oh, that's pretty long. Surprising. Guys, do you dare me to just do an emerald pad and then that's it? I think I'm gonna do it. I think that will be a fun challenge to do for today. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do just an emerald pad. Yeah, I'll go with like that big. Oh, that should be good. I'm scared. Is this really gonna work? Okay, maybe we can throw in one of that. And then we'll put out my throne. Yeah, throw the king around here. Yeah. I'm going. Why did I just do an emerald pad? I might have just made a mistake. Alright. Ow, ow, ow. Should I just jump off? Nobody laughed at this as long as I did. Probably. Well, some people did. They could. Because some people made it to the end before. These YouTubers do it. It's easy. Sadly, I can't drive my boat, but I wish I could. Well, I can as soon as I learn how to use the car in this game, because I bought the car. Oh, jeez. One leg isn't sitting on anything. One leg on the chair. Jeez. feel like something's like gonna blow up any minute now. You can, oh geez. An block disappeared. I think, I don't know. Was there a block right there? I can't remember. Or was that just a messed up mistake? And oh, guys, remember this one? Let's go. Above all the items that's in the chocolate. Ow. Oh, yay. I go over every single item today. Did that rhyme? It rhymed. Hey! What do you know? So guys, actually after this one, I am going to stop recording. Oh jeez, my chair is broken. No, 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 no. No. I don't like you game. Like I like it, just like it. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. And please remember to leave a like on this video. And hit that bell icon so you never miss a video I download. And also, I want you to go over to Dennis's channel, subscribe to him, hit that bell icon on his channel,